I'm going to look at number 4. We're trying to find the standard form equation of a hyperbola. So the standard form equation of a hyperbola is something like that. Make sure it equals 1. So this hyperbola has foci at 0, plus or minus 8, and 0, plus or minus 6. The average of those is 0, 0. So that tells me that the center of this thing is at 0, 0. And the vertices and the foci are on the y-axis, which tells me that I have a vertical hyperbola. So vertical hyperbola always starts with y squared. There's nothing else in the numerators because the center is 0, 0. The first denominator is always a squared. It's the location of the vertices. I can see that the vertices are 6 away from the center, so a squared is 36. To figure out b squared, I'm going to have to use my focus formula. For a hyperbola, it's a squared plus b squared. C is 8, because that's where the foci are. And then I'm going to subtract 36. And I would get 64 minus 36 is 28 equals b squared. I could go further to find that b equals radical 28, but I don't have to do that because b squared is what goes in that other denominator. And that's it for that equation. When you go on to number 5, you are told that it's horizontal. That's what it means when it says the transverse x-axis. That's just another word for the major axis for a hyperbola. The difference is the asymptotes. So remember that your slope of your asymptotes, you're told that it's 4/5, either positive or negative. Remember that slope is always rise over run. So the rise is 4 and the run is 5. Rise is in the y direction. So in the y direction, we're rising 4, which means the denominator under y is 4 squared. And the run is the x direction, so the denominator under x is 5 squared, or 25.